Good evening everyone, my name is Hai and today I'm going to show you my term project. So this is a website designed for classification on small datasets, and we can choose a small dataset to upload, and it will show up in the uploaded datasets, and if we load it, it will pump up three buttons which represent the three functions of my website. The first one is classification. So we assume that you use my website for classification problem, and I chose four popular classification models for you: naive Bayes, decision tree, random forest, and support vector machine. If we click the classification model, it will give you the report of all the four models, and it will also pick the best model for you. In our case, is random forest, and the performance is pretty good, is like 84%, and the graph shows like it is almost perfect. So yeah, great. And this is the first function of my website. The second function is that we can visualize the datasets. For example, if we choose the class as the class variable and click the exploration button, it will show you the histogram or the bar chart depending on the type of the variable you chose, and it will also give you pair plots of all the numeric variables, and the color would be the class variable you chose, and that will give you a sense of how your data looks, and then it might help you to DIY your own datasets. For example, you said you want to use random forest to design your own model. So if we say like I want to use entropy as criteria, and maybe 15 trees would be better, then you can click classification and we can see, wow, our average performance is actually better. So maybe the tuned model is better than the original one. And if you want to change the methods, just change it. It's pretty simple. And yeah, we can see the SVM is also pretty good, and maybe you want to play around with it. So that's the three main functions of my website. And if you want to learn more about the websites and the machine learning techniques I talked about, you can click the tutorial tab and see the tutorial. And the about page is just to express my thanks for people who helped me with this project, and it also tells you about my motivation of making this project. The contact tab actually doesn't work, but I will hopefully fix it. And the logout function is just log out when you are done with all the function. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Goodbye.